We got a gnarly crash coming up right now. So the premise is 187. Hey, I haven't seen this guy in a while. Oh! All right, so we got to be paying attention a little bit. Broke a few things off. She's just kind of staring in shock. Make sure you rescue a rider here. This is not good. Hopefully, he is fine. Yes, it was your fault. So what happened? This is going to be a line of sight issue, and then moving on to the next thing. So remember, we're in the far left lane. He's doing head checks, head checks, head checks. Last second, we're going to get hit here, okay? So we shouldn't have been passing. We shouldn't have done that. So he's moving over, head check, doing what he's supposed to be doing, but you can't see around this vehicle until last second, and we hit. So in case we fail what we're supposed to be doing, we need to make sure that we have full gear. So being a smart rider is incredibly important, okay? We can't see it. We failed. Hopefully we have gear. Hopefully somebody can rescue us, and then hopefully we're going to learn from that situation. If you don't have any gear, once again, RevZilla is linked in the description. Danilo Mello going on with this one. Can't see much. We're going pretty fast around the corner, tucked in, thinking we're out on the road, learning how to do trail braking, probably from somebody else on YouTube. Somebody's just walking across the street. Kind of a weird situation there. Uncommon thing in a common situation. Handled it really well. It was kind of like a weird situation. Perceived it and just kind of adapted a little bit to it. Planned herself out of that. All right, so can't see. What are we doing? Last second, got impacted. Hopefully we have full gear, okay? So if you don't have any gear, make sure you guys check out RevZilla. They have some good gear. So remember to rescue a rider, pay attention, what's going on. You know, remain calm. Okay, we're good. Ensure our own safety. Get out of the road, maybe. Nothing broken, no major bleeds. Very good. We do have our rescue pack available right now. If you're watching this in March, we have March Madness going on, 15% off store-wide. This is going to be a rider that is going to be going through traffic. It's all backed up. They're letting them through. Okay, very dangerous. Got to be paying attention to cross traffic, making sure you get yourself in a better position and do it safely. So we're looking right, we're looking left, we're looking right, and we're looking left, and we have a vehicle that is probably not doing what they're supposed to be doing, because if you kind of see, we have a double yellow. We were not anticipating it. This is an absolute idiot of a driver. Not much we could have done. So when there's a situation where we couldn't do anything really, because we're anticipating somebody coming from the other direction, this is why we are definitely smart riders. We need to acquire and use personal protective equipment. We need to mitigate the types of injuries that we possibly could have. Right here. If you get hit in the hand, you got injuries to the hand. You get hit in the whole body, you probably got injuries to the whole body, including your organs, including your brain. So in a motorcycle crash, you typically have head injuries, spinal injuries, and possible shock symptoms. Okay, so remember, remain calm, rescue a rider. But right here, no bueno, angular incident, so more likely right knee, right arm, but then we have the impact. All right, so I took a second to check the cam. Okay, he's got full gear at least, or at least the jacket. It looks like those are moto pants. Maybe moto. Oh, you don't want to check the camera. So remember, we have to be sure. He almost crashed into the wall. We just ride. Okay, check the camera on a straightaway next time. All right, so nighttime, low visibility. We have also dumb drivers out here not paying attention, hit us. That could easily have been our left leg mechanism injury. Think about the injuries there. Going a little too fast. We're going to collide with our buddy. We can't keep the bike upright because of the speed. Handlebars couldn't do what it needed to do. This is not something that I would be doing, you know, hauling ass down here trying to pass people and lane filter a motorcycle and a car. But if it does happen, make sure you guys have the gear available. So right here, found an escape path, did a great job. I really like to see when people utilize escape paths, even though there's a lot of text on screen, just kind of understand. This looks sped up. I don't think he's going that fast, but we did hit a branch and we did hit a tree, and now we're on the ground in pain, possibly. Kind of upset. But remember, if we're out in the middle of nowhere, what do you do if all of a sudden you hit an artery or you hit a vein and you start bleeding out? Grab yourself one of these tourniquets. All right, we're going through here. The hyper kid almost went too wide. Slow it down, slow it down. Okay, slow it down. Almost went off the cliff. All right, so we're going through here. Azuro going to have a little bit of a wheelie fun. I know we kind of talked about a few of these things already, but remember, he's wearing regular pants, so his buttocks is probably ripped apart. Not a good situation. It's not a way you want to shave your butt hair, but you know, that's something he did. Something he did. Who knows? Saying 420. So supposedly this is one of the Max Risk crew members. So it looks probably California. He's having a good time, just did something completely wrong and lost traction. So actually it's not his fault then. He lost traction. It looks like mud. Looks like slippery mud. That sucks. I'm sorry. I said it was your fault. It's not your fault. It's Mother Nature's fault. But we got to be paying attention. We got to look for road surface hazards. Remember, we are planning our ride, making sure we locate these hazards. We need to locate these hazards. So we're going through here. Joe Mack having a lot of fun. Oh, lost a little traction. Gained it right back. His tires want to gain it back. The thing that saved him really here is not hauling ass. Now, too much brake pressure. You got chevrons right there. Now, we went a little bit wide. Now, these are two friends possibly, you know, trying to learn together. Remember, you can talk to each other. Oh, that's a phone mount. It's the wrong ad. All right, so right here, what we have are two people riding around. They look like beginners. The one in the front looks like a beginner. We're in the beginner. So remember, when we're doing that, we need to ride within our ability. This person is going to be going a little bit. Oh, got a little loss of traction. Look a little new. We're a little new. We got squiggle lines coming up. So that means that we have sharp left, sharp right turns. So here we go. We're going to go ahead and turn left. This person's going to make it, but kind of looking a little newish. But where are we going? We're going this way. Okay, remember the chevrons are a good indicator that it's going to be a sharp left turn. And there we go. We start to crash a little bit. Now, they're talking to each other. Remember, we can go ahead and use our cardos on this so we could tell him, hey, we crashed. But he's going to go ahead and crash, hit the ground. Thankfully, it was low speed, but still not very fun. You get hit, you hurt. It's not good at all. You don't want to damage your bike. You're brand new. Maybe now you're too scared, low confidence. Let's get that confidence back up. So 68, 69, 70s, maybe. Oh, there's the deer at high speed and was able to not crash. Very good, very good. Did a good job, did a good job. So HR26 biker, here we go. Pretty foggy or smoggy, however you want to say it. So 76 something, a little doggo, but you're not paying attention up in front. You got to go ahead and slow it down so you don't hit somebody. So you got to pay attention. Progressive brake pressure. Learn. We talk about how to do this, how to search for things, how to navigate things. These guys are cool breeze. Come on, man. What the heck was that? What the heck was that? Let's go back. What kind of group are you riding with, buddy? What is this? What are we doing? What are we doing? And we're just pissing off people. You and your buddy almost crashed. You like my Crocs? Got Chick-fil-A giblets. This is a great camera angle, by the way. I like it. I like how it's kind of offset, but you still see everything, you know. So good job. So side of the vehicle, kind of moved out of the way. Good job planning your ride. You did an amazing job. Mr. Potter's Garage located that hazard. Just adapted a little bit, okay? Oh, uncommon thing. Great escape path. He almost freaking crashed. Oh my gosh. Great job with your emergency maneuvers. Same situation. Saw something. Orange stage, prepped and ready. Now we're slowing down for a red light. Great job. So Justin's garage, side of the vehicle, it's yellow. Why did we not do a single thing? Oh my gosh. Lou DMV rider, side of the vehicle. Once again, this is how you should handle it. Progressive brake pressure. Progressively braked, handled it.